Hello, I'm Justin Hofman, and I'm a wildlife photographer and expedition leader from California. So the photo of the seahorse with the cotton swab was taken in Indonesia off of an island called Sumbawa, and we were just enjoying an afternoon. It was the end of an expedition. While we were there, this little seahorse went drifting over the reef, and it was by itself at first, and then debris and sewage started to come with it. I think the reason that it becomes so famous and so widespread is because it's universal, and it really doesn't require a caption. Everybody writes the story in their mind. Everybody loves seahorses. They're very cute. And then on the other half of the frame, they have this very commonly used household item that we all instantly recognize. Initially, the cuteness that links everybody into the photo, and then it's almost like you come to this realization of a bigger, wider problem. The problem with plastic pollution is it's just only getting worse and worse as the population grows. And local governments need to make sure that they're handling waste in a proper way. So not letting things go into rivers, not letting waste going into drains, because all drains and all rivers lead to the sea. This is happening all the time, all over the place. I just happened to come across this composition, and it's happening to animals that we don't think are very cute, and we should be caring about them as well. Art and photography and this photojournalism can make a big difference in the world, and I hope this photo, makes people think about their actions and maybe do a little bit of good work for the oceans.